Hi everyone, today I'm in Vancouver and honestly, it's such a beautiful city. Snowy mountains sit right above the city and below them are endless green forests that feels fresh and alive. Down in the city, everything feels calm. Easy peaceful parks, cozy house, lovely gardens, and the huge Pacific Ocean. When you see it all together, it really feels like heaven on earth. Driving toward Whistler, the view just keeps getting better. Around every corner, there are mountains and forests that are absolutely stunning. At times, it feels a lot like the Himalayan mountains. I was born near Mount Manaslu, the 8th highest mountain in the world. The Nepal and Tibet border surrounded by mountains. So I have always loved places like this. Being in Vancouver with mountains everywhere really makes me feel at home. And I'm heading to Whistler, about 2 hours drive away. Whistler is well known for its year-round activities, and in winter it's especially famous for sports like skiing, snowboarding. It also hosts events during the Winter Olympics. Blackcomb Mountain has one of the highest vertical drops in North America. The drop is 5,280 feet. This means you can ride the lift to the top and ski or snowboard all the way down to the bottom. The mountain has long runs and many different slopes for beginners and advanced ride. It also has beautiful views and good snow, which makes it a popular place for winter sport. Whistler Village is a pedestrian-only area, which makes it very safe and pleasant to walk around. You don't have to worry about traffic. You can take your time exploring. The village is full of shops, cafes, and restaurants, offering locals and international food. There are also street performers, beautiful mountains view, and a lovely atmosphere that feels festive all year round. Whistler is an excellent destination for families with children. It offers snow school where kids can learn skiing or snowboarding from trained instructors. There are tubing parks where families can enjoy sliding down the snow together, as well as specially play zones designed just for kids. These areas are safe, fun, and perfect for children to enjoy winter activities while parents relax.